So we have ECO cartridge with 60 milliliters ink inside. So from now to open it. It's a new one, just came from Japan, from our software. So the Mimaki starts produce it because of, I believe, want to make more better price for inks. Start because, for example, this 6 milliliters cartridge cost me like $130, and it's only the you'll see what is it exactly inside. It's pretty same big tube. For example, this one is 440 and this one is 600 milliliters. So it looks like the same, but the only one difference, the volume. So this one I was taking from old cartridge, this one, and I will show you how this new, we'll take this cheap, how this new extra cartridge volume, ECO volume, goes to the plastic case. So the cases, the original case, have clips on it, so we can take it off like this, easy. Before you put it inside, the original instruction said what you need to make scale, put it on scale and check the how weight is it, and the weight should be in the grams. So the printer will ask you in the grams. So I was doing it before, and I know what the particular this one case, I don't know, but I believe all of them are the same, is 232 grams. It depends on 230, 232, 228, something like this. So they ask you to do this measurements without the chip. That was funny because the chip have no any grams. It's very, very small. So we will do this stuff like this. Put it here before closing, because when you close it, it's like stuck by this teeth. So now we just simply put them inside of cartridge, and this is it, ready to play. So, and this one is black. We take the black sticker, which comes with the original case. This is stickers come with them, and put it on some suitable place. So you should understand what the top side, when you put it inside of the printer, in the top, the chip will be on top. So you just put it like this. Sticker. Don't know what is it. And this is it. So, be careful with this gap. You should check before, because sometimes when you clip it, it may be loose. So the whole construction is pretty loose. So don't worry about big gaps or something. You will see it later when the ink was gone. This gaps is also disappeared. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.